I gave you my heart.
Hello guys, it's Mitchell and Rai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are first time, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can share to your friends because I am growing. I want to grow as much as I can. As I am the student of computer science engineering at Bangalore, I should have to give more time on my study as well as on my YouTube channel for making a video. So I hope you will just support me. Today I have made this video about how to start HTML for beginners, and today I'm going to teach you the some of the attributes, HTML attributes that I usually use in HTML. Today's session is only for the beginners. I will move forward. Okay guys, let's move to okay, first then I want to tell you that you can use Visual Studio Code for better experience about HTML, and in which every code you can use in every programming language you can use in Visual Studio Code. But now I am using online compiler, that is Code for Pen. Let's move to the website. Okay, let's go guys. Okay, now we will have to go to our topic. I'm using instead of Visual Studio Code, I'm using Code Pen for you to know to teach you about HTML because because most of you are I think high school students. That's why you do not have any laptops or desktops. So I'm going to I'm going to teach you on the website, that is website name is Code Pen. I will share the code link. I will share the link in description box. You guys can go through it. You should have to go search through in a Google Code Pen. Then you will directly connect it with it, and you should have to make a register for that. Then you will show such kinds of page. Here is HTML page, and down is CSS and JS. Okay, I will tell you about this JS and CSS in next upcoming videos, but session. But today's I'm going to teach you the basic beginners up to 10 minutes. I think only up 10 minutes to 15 minutes. This I am going to tell you about attributes using HTML code. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Okay guys, Hypertext Markup Language. It was first created by Berners-Lee in 1891, I think 1901. It's commonly used for web development and web pages. HTML almost describe the structure of a website. Okay. Similarly, CS and JavaScript are used for decorating, like for example, we use many of people use makeup, Fair and Handsome, Fair and Lovely. That's used for imagine women are HTML. Yeah, HTML. And imagine that JavaScript and CSS is makeup items which create attractive towards the any pages like websites. Okay. Introduction I have given. Okay. There are many HTML versions up to now. Mainly HTML's the latest HTML version is an HTML5, which was developed in 1912, and the first HTML was developed in 1991. I have already told John Berners-Lee in in forgetting. Okay, let's. I think I should have restart. Yeah. Okay. In HTML, we should have to use .html for saving the file or saving the computer that it is HTML file. For CSS, we are using css.css. For js.js. For Python, py.py or pyth in Python you can write. Similarly, for the database C, you can use .c, cpp.cpp, or for C++ you can do cpp, yeah. And for Java, use .javs Java. Okay, let's start the topic for it. It will be long videos if I describe the detail all about the fact. Okay, let's move towards the coding. Sorry for late typing because I am also the beginners like you, and actually I am second year student, and actually for mouse I have slow because my mouse is also not working properly. That's why I'm using the laptop's that screen sensor touch. We should have to use with finger. Okay, I hope you will understand. Okay, for that you should have to give the we all know for this we should have to use this closing tag for HTML. HTML, then we should have to give what? Head or body, guys? We should have to give head. We should have to imagine head. For closing tag also, yes, head. For another body, yeah. Closing tag for body. Sorry, I have made mistake there. Now let's start to the topic. This is almost come fast, yeah. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, we should have to use here. Okay. In down here we should have to use our in case of head I think I use title. What I should have to write? Hello, welcome to you. Close title. Okay. In place of body I am using head 1. What I should write? Anything you can write about YouTube. Okay, I will write YouTube. Anything you can write. Heading H1 tag is heading. It will display. the H1 as highlight title. Okay, in place of I have written title there. In place of title is not showing here. I think it must be showing. Okay, let's delete this. Title is not necessary for it because I have already written as heading also. This heading is also not necessary for it today. This is also the heading S1. We can write, but it's simply it's better to not write. Similarly, if we write H2 and same YouTube /H2 heading, you will guys understand from it. Okay, look here guys, the input, the input, look, I have given what in place of H1, sorry, the cursor is the H1 heading is more bold and bigger. It means it is the heading 1 first. It will print high and bold. Little the H2 heading lines will show this little smaller than the above. And if we print again H3, then you will get to know that it will be print bit even lesser than that. I haven't save. Okay, oh wait, I haven't saved. Wait, okay, I will save it first. Yeah, even smaller than that. Again, if you give S4 S5, then it will show again that here you can use exclamation doc type HTML, but this is for beginners, so I am not using a doc type. I am using a title. Okay, title, I should have to try title also here. For that, head down /head in place of head I am using TRTL title. I am using welcome. Okay, title close. Okay, let's see what it will print here. It's not printing anything about it. Okay, let's move to link. Okay, link, we should use link line break. For that line break, I am using in place of heading, I am using what? P. In place of P, In place of P, I'm using what it will print. Yeah, it will print YouTube. It's similar to the H heading app that was showing S1. Okay, let's type this in italic form or in italic character. You look, guys, it will be print italic. Yeah, italic. You can use here uh, okay, for changing horizontal line I am using for changing horizontal line between the documents I am using HR tag like this. P HR tag I am using here. HR tag YouTube is my time pass. Okay, I'm using time pass. Let's see the output. Yeah, it's showing this. It will change the horizontal line between the two sections. Yeah, it has changing the line of between the two sections. Okay, guys, let's stop for today now because I still have to go to eat the dinner, and let's hope you guys can understand basic information about it. I am also starting to teach you in YouTube for the first time, so that's why I don't know how to teach, but don't worry about it. I will gonna slowly learn about it. Literally slowly we should have to move, because even the babies that just born will not directly becomes the pro coder. Yeah, okay, let's wind up for today. Bye bye. Jai Nepal.